This tutorial review will show you how to use two Snapchat accounts or multiple Snapchat accounts at one time. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Tap on your profile icon at the top left. Tap on this gear icon at the top right. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. Tap on logout. Logout. Once you logged out from your account, and now to add your second WhatsApp account, tap on use other account. If you have an Snapchat account already, then give here the account username or email and password to log in. And you can create your second WhatsApp account by clicking on sign up button at the bottom left. Give the account name. Select here your birth info. Enter a strong password. Now you can verify your account using your email or phone number. And as you can see, my second account has been successfully created. And now to switch between these two accounts, click on your profile, go to settings, scroll down and tap on logout. Once you logged out, now swipe to the left and right side to select the account you want to use. Once you selected the account you want to use, tap on login. And that's how you will be able to use multiple Snapchat accounts at one time. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.